Sniff of the socks and he actually decided to restart his entire system. Legend has it he is still... You're trying to play it cool but your tiny vampire fangs decide it's time for a public appearance. One more minute of this nap and I'll be fully charged for my 3 a.m. sprint. Sleeping... The gym membership is expensive but the asphalt is free and you really need to work on those lower abs. Your hunger is so aggressive it actually defies the laws of physics. You're trying to film a cute vlog but your cat has a side quest to finish.
Vẻ dạo này là mày hơi quá đáng nhỉ.
You try to play it cool and act like you didn't just disappear into the abyss for 3 seconds. When they told me cats are liquid, I did not expect a spill of this magnitude. This is not a... Trying to calculate how many hours you... You're trying to play hide and seek, but your tail didn't get the memo.
Não, eu tô aqui pra ouvir pessoas que tem vergonha na cara.
You're 100 orange and 0 sure what your own feet are doing. Gravity 1. Husky 0. That was less of a leap of faith and more of a... You realize the person staring you down has the exact same outfit and 0 personal space. It is a calico standoff and neither of us is blinking first. I have calculated the trajectory and the physics of the spin and yet I am still confused as to why it did not turn into a treat. Your roommate has the snacks but you have the opposable thumbs. Feline centipede or just a very aggressive group therapy session. Either way, the orange one is definitely the only one paying. You're trying to act cool for the camera but a ghost touches your neck. I requested a chef and they sent me a comedian. 1 star for the service but 5 stars for the hat. You're trying to investigate a noise under the dresser and your cat decides you're the one who needs to be hunted. I bought a puppy, but I think it is actually a sentient fried chicken nugget that is currently attempting to consume my leg. The recipe calls for 1 whole red onion but doesn't mention the emotional toll it takes on the kitchen supervisor.
Meow 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 meow.
You are your own worst enemy and neither of you is willing to back down. Your desk finally discovers its long-lost twin but decides to play hard to get. You decide to pick a fight but realize you accidentally summoned the final boss. You're trying to mind your own business but your sibling is definitely about to do something you'll both get. You're trying to act casual but the floor is lava and your legs have a different plan. You think you're getting a snack but it's just a foot and now your whole day is ruined. You're 100% committed to the grind, but the grind is a literal treadmill. This cat is... You're trying to have a private bath and the local health inspector decides to perform a surprise audit. Trying to be a majestic beach predator, but the ocean's ankles-only policy includes a mandatory vibe check. 1 minute you're hunting sea monsters, the next you're rethinking every life choice while the water humbles your soul. Your friend is being dramatic and faking a crime scene just to get out of a morning walk, but you have zero patience for the performance.
No.
You're dreaming about a fountain of tuna, but the reality is just a puddle on the pillow.
Mimi,你也太可爱了。
You're trying to leave the club at 3 a.m., but your friends aren't done yet. Trying to start a fight but your brain lags for 3 to 5 business seconds. Moment when you realize your new best friend is actually just a giant bubble of betrayal. Husky logic if you can't eat it. POV, you finally fall asleep but your cat has scheduled a 3 o'clock a.m. parkour session across your forehead. Trying to enjoy a nice lakeside nap but gravity and your single brain cell have other plans. 1 minute you're a majestic wolf of the north and the next you're just a soggy potato.
Oh, no, 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 no.
You ask your coworkers for help and they decide to just nap through the meeting instead. One is working, one is sleeping, and the boss is just licking their head for some reason. Then a kitten joins in just to cause chaos on the couch. Tuesday vibes are getting weird.
Huh?
Mink, mink, mink. Mink, 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 mink.
NANI?
You hit select all and then accidentally press delete, but you are too tired to even care. You're trying to save the world, but your controller needs treats and a nap.
Oh, no, 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 no.
You lie on your resume about having 5 years of pest control experience, but then you actually meet the boss on your first day. Your coach is a cat. There are no days off and definitely no mercy. I am just trying to survive the third.
Mingau, eu acabei de te dar comida, Mingau. É, Mingau. Para com isso. Eu já te dei comida, Mingau.
I have spent years training this technician to fix the high notes, but he still just sits there and watches me do all the heavy lifting. Born to ride, forced to nap. This kitten is currently failing its driving. You are 99% liquid, but the 1% bone hits the first step. You're 90% certain your cat was assembled without the instruction manual. When I know exactly how many seconds are left on the timer, but I still act surprised when it pops. I have spent 5 minutes trying to explain to my dog that the snack is on top of the glass, and now we are both questioning his life choices and my sanity. I have spent years perfecting the art of the tactical loaf, only to be betrayed by a single hand gesture. You're trying to act casual, but your one brain cell decides it is time to fight the footwear. Exact moment the brain cell left the chat.
人真是不一样。那边，肯定这样。